Greetings everyone, Z at Happy Gut Happy Life. Today will be sweet and savory coconut and banana wild rice. We're going to go ahead and start off with oyster mushrooms in a hot skillet. We want the water to evaporate from the mushrooms. And then we have this fresh coconut, and we want the meat from the coconut. So we're going to go ahead and chop up the coconut meat. And we're going to use a quarter habanero pepper without the seeds. And we got a quarter cup of red onions. And of course we have the coconut meat chopped. And we're going to chop that up, so we're going to go ahead and add that to the skillet with the mushrooms. Oh, we also have the scallion onions. We have 2 sprigs of scallion onions. And we're going to go ahead and add a quarter cup of chickpea aquafaba and 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook. And we have our pre-boiled wild rice. And you want to go ahead and add 2 cups of wild rice. And to top it off, we're going to add our Ethiopian Berber Spice, onion powder, and I'm going to also add some Salmon Chipotle Spice. And you can add a little kelp. Okay, this is the mixed vegetables and rice. And we're just going to blend everything and just let it simmer about 3 minutes and turn the burner off, so that the flavors can blend well. So delicious. Just let it blend, cover it, let it blend. Okay, this is the bowl. We have 3 sides: the dandelion, arugula, and the okra blend. And we have the avocados with a little lime juice and a sprinkle of salt. And we have the baby bananas cupping inside of the bowls. Those are very good bananas. They're baby bananas. They're nice and sweet. So with all those flavors and textures blended, it's so delicious. Go on and try it. And remember, subscribe, comment, share, and like this channel. And thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, share that vegan love.